हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्रयास एजू। सो स्टूडेंट, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 7 साइंस सब्जेक्ट में जो हमारा 7 चैप्टर है मोशन, फोर्स एंड वर्क, जिसके आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस, डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली, शॉर्ट नोट एंड गिव रीजंस। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस है। लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, फॉर मोर वीडियोस, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.prayashoedu.com, जिसकी लिंक हमने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस है। फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन सेंटेंस, एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज डिस्टेंस। Answer is the length of the route actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance. Next one is what is displacement, and the answer is the minimum distance traversed in the particular direction along a straight line is called displacement. Next one is what is velocity. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a specific direction in unit time is called velocity. Next one here, what is acceleration, and the answer is the change in velocity with reference to time is called acceleration. Next question is what is instantaneous velocity, and the answer is the velocity at a particular moment of time is called instantaneous velocity. Next question is what is the formula for calculating average velocity. Average velocity is equal to displacement upon total time. Next question is what is the unit of acceleration, and the answer is the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Next question यहाँ पे है describe briefly, and the first one is difference between distance and displacement. First one is distance, the amount of space between the 2 points measured along the minimum path linking them. It is scalar quantity. Distance can never decrease with time. It is used positive value. Distance is denoted by d and it is formula speed multiplied by time. Next is displacement, the amount of space between 2 points measured along the actual path linking them is called distance. It is vector quantity. Displacement can decrease with time. It is used positive, negative or zero value. Displacement is denoted by s and it is formula velocity multiplied by time. Next is a difference between speed and velocity. Speed, the distance covered by an object in unit time. It is scalar quantity. It is indicates rapidity of the object. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Speed of moving object can never be negative. Velocity, the displacement of an object in unit time. It is vector quantity. It is indicates rapidity and position of the object. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement, and velocity of moving object can be positive, negative or zero. Next one is explain the distance. Distance, the length of the route actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance. The distance is a scalar quantity. Distance can never decrease with time. Distance gives complete information of the route followed by the body. Distance can never decrease with time. It is always used positive value. Distance is denoted by d and it is formula speed multiplied by time. Next one is explain the displacement, and displacement, the minimum distance traversed in a particular direction along a straight line is called displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. The magnitudes of distance and direction are taken into account while describing the displacement. Displacement can decrease with time. It is used positive, negative or zero value. Displacement is denoted by s and it is formula velocity multiplied by time. नेक्स्ट वन है यहाँ पे राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन, एंड फर्स्ट वन है राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन. If no force is acting on body, its velocity will not change. The body will not show acceleration. If a body is stationary, it will remain stationary. If it is in motion, it will continue moving with the same velocity and in the same direction. If the force acting on the object is zero, then its acceleration is also zero. The force required for producing acceleration of 1 minute per second in a per second square in a mass of 1 kg is called a Newton. 1 Newton force. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg minute per second square. The force required for producing acceleration is 1 centimeter upon a square in a mass of 1 gram is called a 1 dyne force. मतलब 1 Newton is equal to 105 dynes. नेक्स्ट वन है यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग कंसेप्ट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स विथ एवरीडे एग्जांपल्स. फोर्स. Force is the interaction that brings about the acceleration. Force is change in the velocity of an object. Force is a vector quantity and force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Work done by the force. Work is the scalar quantity and work is equal to F multiplied by S. Next one is velocity. Velocity is the distance traveled by a body in a given direction in unit time is called velocity. It is a vector quantity and velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Next one is acceleration, and acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. It is vector quantity and acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. नेक्स्ट वन है यहाँ पे गिव रीजंस एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर डिफरेंट concepts and the answer is because distance is the length of the actual path followed by a body between the points under consideration and displacement is the shortest distance from the initial point to the final point of movement of a body. Next one is when a body falls freely to the ground, its motion has a uniform acceleration. And the answer is because when a body falls freely, the only force acting on the body is that due to Earth's gravity. This force on a given body is practically uniform.